Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse Temurin on macOS. Temurin is the secure and open source OpenJDK distribution trusted by millions of developers around the world. I'm going to walk you through two different installation methods today. The first uses the official website and installers, the second uses Homebrew for those who prefer managing your tools from the terminal. If you're a Homebrew user and want to skip straight to that part of the video, tap the button on the screen now or jump ahead to the chapter titled Install with Homebrew. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the website installation. Firstly, you need to open your browser and head to https://adoptium.net. At the top of this page, you'll see two clear buttons. The first one is Download Temurin, this nice big pink button. By default, this will give you the latest LTS release, in this case Java 25, for your particular machine. There's also a second button which is Other Downloads. Now, Other Downloads is useful if you aren't necessarily looking for the latest LTS version. Say you're looking for Java 17 or Java 21. You may also be looking for a non-LTS version such as Java 24 or Java 23. So let's take a quick look at this. Along the top of this Other Downloads page, you've got multiple tabs. These show all of the LTS releases. And then you've also got this All Versions tab, which is a sort of power user mode, which gives you access to the non-LTS versions I mentioned earlier. But for this particular demonstration, we're just going to go back to the home page and we're going to hit this big pink download button. And what this will do is automatically work out which macOS architecture you're on, whether you're on a Silicon chip or an Intel, and kick off a download. And you'll see that happening in the top right of my download screen now. This could take a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to pause the video, jump straight back once it's finished. Okay, welcome back. So my download's completed. You're now just going to double click the downloads button, which will load up the official Eclipse Temurin installer. All you're going to do is click continue. This will present the software license agreement. Once you accept that, it will again ask you where you want to install this. You click install. At this point, you'll probably be asked for administrative permissions. It will run through the installer, and then when complete, you should receive confirmation that Eclipse Temurin has been installed to library/Java. At this point, you'll be asked if you want to move the package installer to the bin. This is totally safe to do. Now, the final stage to this installation process is to simply open up a terminal, type Java-version, and if your Temurin has successfully installed, you'll now see this new version displayed. Now let's take a look at the Homebrew method. This option is ideal if you prefer managing your development tools through Brew, or if you're automating your setup. So now the brew schema for these casks is pretty simple. You're always just going to do brew install --cask temurin @ and then the version number that you need. If you don't provide a version, it will always give you the latest LTS build. To show you how this works, I've opened up another terminal. I'm going to type brew install --cask temurin at 25. This will download the latest Temurin 25 build. Just as with the other installer, you'll be asked for a password or sudo permissions. Once that's done, it will essentially say Temurin 25 has been installed. And just like we did before, you can then run Java-version. And if everything's worked, you'll see the output shows the correct Java version. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Java, Eclipse Temurin, and developer tooling. Thanks for watching.